Good morning, students. So, in exercise 7.6, we will start question number 12. Okay. X sec square x dx. So, in that, I let x that algebraic function and sec x trigonometric function. So, which is coming first? Algebraic function. So, this will be first. Okay, and this will be second. Then apply formula. So first function integration of second function minus differentiation of first function integration of second function, then integration of whole. So x sec square x, their integration tan x minus x, their differentiation 1 and sec square x tan x plus constant. So x tan x minus tan x dx plus c. Then you write tan x their differentiation. Okay. So formula you have to learn. Okay. So tan x their differentiation log sec x. So x tan x minus log mod sec x plus c. Clear? That will be answer. Question number 13. Tan inverse x. So here only one function. Okay. Log x tan inverse x. So it multiply by 1. Okay. So 1 that is algebraic function and tan inverse that is inverse function. So which is coming first? Tan inverse x is coming first. So this will be first and 1. This will be second function. Then apply formula. So first function differentiation of first function integration of second minus differentiation of first integration of second and then whole function their integration. So tan inverse x and 1 their integration x minus tan inverse x. So 1 upon 1 plus x square and 1 their integration x dx. So 1 plus x square suppose t. So 2x dx is equal to dt. So x dx is equal to dt by 2. Okay. So x dx dt by 2 and 1 plus x square t plus constant. So x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 will be out 1 upon t log t plus c. Then putting t value. So x tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log t 1 plus x square. This will be answer. Question number 14 and 15. So in these two questions, I will tell one question. Okay. So now start question number 14. Okay. x log x whole square. So log x logarithmic function. Okay, and x algebraic. So first this is coming logarithmic function. So this will be first and this x will be second. Then apply formula. So first function integration of second minus differentiation of first function, integration of second function, then whole function their integration. Okay, so x their integration x square by 2 log x whole square minus log x whole square their integration. So in that log x, suppose t, so t square, you know 2t, clear, and then log x, so 2t means 2 log x into then log x 1 upon x. If you are feeling any difficulty separately, you can differentiate and then write here. Okay, and then x their integration, so x square by 2 dx, 1 x cancel, 2 cancel, plus constant minus x log x dx plus again log x means again apply product rule. Okay, so first function, sorry, yeah, log x first function and x second function, integrate it, then answer will come. 15 also like this. Okay, then question number 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These are based upon that formula that I discussed in previous video. That also here I proved. Okay, integration of e power x in bracket function plus its derivative, function plus its derivative dx is equal to e power x fx plus c. But condition is e power x in bracket function and plus their differentiation. Okay, so question number 16, e power x sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, so you check this is based upon that or not. So e power x, this suppose sin x, suppose fx, here you can suppose let fx is equal to sin x. So f dash x what will be? So d by dx fx. So d by dx fx means sin x. So their differentiation what will be? Cos x. So that is means e power x fx plus f dash x dx. So by this formula, okay, when you use this formula, you write in bracket that formula. Okay. So according to formula, e power x and function, so e power x sin x plus c answer. Clear? Like that. But this formula, okay, you have to write in bracket. This formula you have to write here in bracket. Then question number 17. X e power x upon 1 plus x whole squared dx. Clear? So x e power x upon 1 plus x whole square. So here first you suppose 1 plus x is equal to t. Okay. So dx is equal to dt. So from here x will be t minus 1. So in place of x we can put t minus 1 and e power x also t minus 1 and dx dt upon 1 plus xt, so t square. Clear? Then divide by t square separately. So t upon t square minus 1 upon t square e power t minus 1 dt. Then simplify it. So t upon t square 1 upon t. Okay. E power t minus 1 in bracket 1 upon t minus 1 upon t square dt. So now it is converted in that form. Okay, it is converted in that formula. So 1 upon t, suppose let f t is equal, because function is in t. So in place of fx we will suppose ft is equal to t. So their differentiation what will be? F dash t. So minus 1 upon t square. Means this formula, this function we can write in this form e power t minus 1, okay, in bracket ft, and here you can write plus f dash t dt. So this formula is converting in that form, okay, and after that, so by using formula we can write e power t minus 1 ft plus constant, okay, then putting t value here. So t minus 1 means x, so e power x, and ft that is 1 upon t, so 1 upon t plus c, so e power x 1 upon t means 1 upon 1 plus x plus constant. This is answer. Okay. So question number 17. 17.6. Question number 17. E power x upon 1 plus x plus c. So only need practice. Okay. Questions very simple. Only need practice. Okay. Here also you have to write formula in bracket. Okay. So now 18, 19, 20 also like that. So 18 e power x in bracket 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x dx. So e power x, okay, one plus cos x formula 2 cos square x by 2 dx. So 1 by 2 can take out, so e power x, okay, and 1 plus sin x also formula 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 dx upon cos square x by 2, then divide separately. Okay, so 1 by 2 e power x, so 1 upon cos square sec square, okay, plus sin upon cos tan and 1 cos cancel, okay, so 2 tan x by 2 dx. Clear? So 1 by 2. Okay. And here you see, okay, you can multiply by 1 by 2. Okay. So after multiplication, this, and write this function first. So e power x 2 cancel. So e power x tan x by 2 in bracket plus, and here sec square x by 2 1 upon 2 sec square x by 2 dx. Okay. And after that, this function suppose fx. Okay. So this will be f dash x. So their differentiation of tan x by 2 what will be? Sec square x by 2 and x by 2, their differentiation 1 upon 2. Means this is converting in formula e power x fx plus f dash x dx. Then direct write formula e power x fx plus c, and fx is tan x by 2. So like this, 19 also formula. E power x 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square dx. So this 1 upon x fx and this 1 upon x square f dash x. Because 1 upon x, their differentiation will be minus 1 upon x square. So according to formula, means e power x fx plus f dash x dx. So according to formula e power x fx plus c, then fx value means e power x upon x plus c. This will be answer. Okay. Similarly, 20th also you see. Okay. Question number 20, and before question number 20th, 23rd you see. So x square e power x cube dx. So simple x cube suppose t. So 3x square dx equal to dt divided by 3. So x square dx dt by 3 and e power t. So 1 by 3 formula. So 1 by 3 t value. This will be answer. Okay. 24th, e power x sec x in bracket 1 plus tan x dx. This is also based upon that formula. So e power x multiplied by sec x. So sec x plus sec x tan x dx. So sec x suppose fx and this f dash x, because sec x their differentiation sec x tan x. So according to formula e power x sec x plus constant. This is answer. Okay, option B. Then 20, 21, 22. Okay, so question number 20th you see. Okay. X minus 3 e power x upon x minus 1 whole square. So x minus 1 suppose t. So dx is equal to dt. So in place of x we can put t plus 1 minus 3 e power, in place of x t plus 1 upon this t square. So divide separately. So t upon t square 1 upon t and 1 minus 3 2. So minus 2 upon t square e power t plus 1 dt. Okay. So function and here 1 upon t, f hat ft, and their differentiation what will be? Minus 1 upon t square, and here coming 2. Okay. Okay. Sorry for this, here power 3 not 2. Okay. So here power 3, so here 1 upon t square minus 2 upon t cube. Okay. So 1 upon t square. So t power minus 2, their differentiation will be t power minus 2. So minus 2 t power minus 3. So t power minus 3 1 upon t cube. Means this will be ft and this will be f dash t. So their integration will be e power t plus 1. Ft means 1 upon t square plus constant. Then putting t value from there. So e power t plus 1 means x. 1 upon t square means x minus 1 whole square plus c. So this is the answer of question number 20. Yes. Exercise 7.6. E power x upon x minus 1 whole square. Okay. So 2 questions remaining in this 21 and 22. So I will discuss in next video. Okay. Thank you.